What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Today, on a Dex activity, Nadeko Gimia uploaded his cute photos and a short video clip of him wearing his different clothes. On Instagram post, Nadeko Gimia captioned it, "There are many things to wear during the end of the year festival, whether it's Christmas, dinner, outdoor sports, check-in cafe, New Year party, minute day, and working day." And the fans noticed that the Dex clothes and shoes was there in Urasaya's home, thinking that they are living together. Lately, Rosa's peer band was so quiet and got only a throwback photos from New Year together with her family. Then my couple got the rumors that they've got a breakup, but as you can see, Nadek uploaded that he is in the place where Urasaya is living, and that means that they are together. Manefans was wondering lately if Urasaya is now pregnant of the Dex baby because she was not displaying and she got sick when she was in Norway. Guessing if the rumors is true, all of the Thailand city will be happy.